What is up guys, done at the site. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use GitHub Copilot in VS Code. So first you need to open your VS Code and then you need to hover to the extension section and then click on this extensions bar and then you need to search for Copilot. After searching for Copilot here, the list of GitHub Copilot will appear. From here you need to just simply install this GitHub Copilot by github.com, and after installing, here at the bottom you will see the GitHub Copilot icon. Just simply sign in to use your GitHub Copilot account, and you can just skip it for now if you want to. But if you sign up, you will see the single GitHub Copilot icon. That means basically your GitHub Copilot has been activated. So you just simply need to start writing your code, and then GitHub Copilot will help you automatically. And as you can see on the right side here, this is the GitHub Copilot pop-up. You can also provide some instruction, custom instruction if you want to. And if you want to close it, just simply click on this cross button. And if you want to open it again, click on this once. You can also snooze it, and then you can also check these checkboxes, and then you can hover to the settings and then change the settings according to your vision requirement. So this is how you can connect and use GitHub Copilot with VS Code. That was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.